Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. Today I'll make a soy olive. Yeah, this is my language, Ngai soy olive here. I'll make today with fish, and soy olive with fish. I have fish here, I have soy olives here. And then I got here I got seasoning Jambo Aroma, Grantmet here. I got 4 fresh tomatoes, 2 cloves garlics, and then I have 1 onion, rough leek. This rough leek. This is just 1 spring onion. 2 chili pepper, green one, then yellow 2, and then I have a simon aubergine. This ginger. That's it. I have that. I'll make today. Bonjour, and the rest of Hollanda. Lelo no sala malangwa. Ya mai malangwa mai ngai. I'll use this soy olive half. No sara katikati ya yanga inga no sara miso tute no sara ndamu kaka yango pona chana malangwa nanga no sara malangwa wa ya mai pinza. Tomate fraîche, 4 tomates fraîches. So lingino pe less uchala less ngati 4 tomates fraîches. Na kusaila na 4 tomates fraîches. Nazana de ai nazana awa. Nazana litungulu, nazana poiron, ndembe ka moko nazana moko, poiron, na de pipila vert sur colère à pilipili na yo, citron ezali awa, I have lemon here for wash my fish. Don't know clean fish nanga. Nazana basolo awa, so benga basolo angoyo, nazana tangawisi na ochat na pona na mbista na seasonango. Na rosela kaka saisonnement oyo ya Jambo Aroma. Nazana nini ogutu muscade. Nana muscade. Dale na osala yango yawa. Donc vite fait moko boye. Les anon mai vraiment menti toko. Yango na wabana na skola mbis na na citron. I need to start to wash my fish with lemon. And then with like warm water, more tepid water, and also some. Oh, okay. I'll mix that with warm water. I'm gonna warm water. Add warm water.
Yeah.
Or add lemon. Na chesko citron nga. Bone bishte mafuta mike na ma moto yelo la zei. Add half lemon. Katikata citron nga demi. Press it. Now I'll leave that for 2 minutes, and then I will wash the fish while I cook it. Now chicken open 2 minutes après now clean on a channel to no lamp after I wash that. I need to add 2 teaspoons Jambo, 2 litres de café ya Jimbo. Half ya muscade, nutmeg, and garlic and then ginger. Mix that together. So bien. Banano akangai na kati ndambo. Ngai ndamba nganya che atokina tukisoma mkia ili ba mkia. Ngai. Na mélanger tout ensemble na tikion tingange lemba entre na bon sabilo connaît la ready. I mix all together look now, and then I'm waiting so leave finish cooked, and then I'll make everything ready, and then I'll be back late. See. Now I need to mash. Now I need to make it. Banganga bishop photos are one name. Okay. So you know nika to name no chicken nene. Nya ninga nika omo mke. No, bend down. I want to mash this a little bit if you want. This tomato, and then another pepper, leek, and then spring onion, garlic, and then simo aubergine. Is solo, pilipili, poiron, nande moko ezaki wana. Na litungulu, na aubergine, bomona tomate fresh. Na huile on sape huile na chabu mke. Na sa sauce. Bomona niki yanko. Na niki on skwele. Misi bandu na banganga na soute me ezana congélateur, ezara makasa toto kisyon nika na mite na mi makasa. Sauce bien fresh nezara bien. Skwele fresh ici là ki. Na zu ya sala bongo. So limino mineno limine. So limine te so zana munes na yo. Après on niki yango. You know, me and mash mine. I use blender to make it that small.
I need to shut it.
I put just a little bit of oil, not much oil. I think I'm going to keep on another week. I'm going to maybe if I'm not going to dambo. I didn't mean dambo. Wait, I'm going to be belly. I'm going to keep on another. Maybe I need to just a little bit of oil. Because that fish is have more oil. I take some oil off. I take some oil away. It was too much. I need to I need to fry that to be really soft, and then now this is just a little bit soft. I'll add the tomato manga. Keep mix. Balula. Na chesi ko litu mona haya ya jamba homa na 1 spoon jamba homa sizoni huile mingi zama be mon ina chika mukie parce que tilapia zana huile déjà belé yango mon ile mona kaya mukie ya po tilapia zana huile déjà belé kama kalingi yango tuna kali sala ek sauce bongo te na acha na huile tena kama na kalingi mo mukie na te la ile mukie yemona na te bon ile yemona na te I don't like to use more oil because that fish have more oil. Yeah. Too much oil is not good. After 5 minutes, finish. Après 5 minutes, 6 à 5 minutes, yango ici na chango na mbisi. Na chona mbisi zaki na chika mbisi evanda na bloa solo déjà monte. Le monde est là, evanda na bloa solo. I'll add that after 5 minutes. I put all sauce inside the fish. Mix together and then I'll keep it in the mape. Kuna mélangeant c'est na kanjang. Na chama na kangi. Na baloli yango ensemble hein. Na baloli yango ensemble, on na baloli yango. On a tiré mai et toka. On a tiré mai. Il y a pepper soupe, on a fraîche pepper soupe. On a tiré mai et toka to zonga sim. De ambis na on a tiré ko veneta. Ndenge na tiré bloa so na saiba sauce na juste na tiré mbis e veneda na tilapia na ngari je ivanda malangwa. Eh na tika ko de vanda ki na blo na ngaso na chakiwana donc ikoute de blo aso ko na kiyango itoka mba moko come back later now. What do you look like? Sketoke, bio na bio. Now here, go and get belly. Now chicken soup belly. My food is already. We are so now. So now panzana nga so le panzana te na liam boy. My food is already cooked. Uma tana representango. Alingi ezana soup. Alingi ezana soup. My food ready. I like soup, more soup. Ramen is ready. And ezana soup eza kitoko bleu ba mama. Vende banda kwa wa. Vous savez, papa ba recette belé. Moi change la papa ba recette. Ngolo is bomonyo. Bomona ontana rochana sani bien kanate. Et belly. Je crois essayer 30 minutes. 30 minutes on tient ensemble. 35 minutes. We now finish. Look at big now. Now, look now. Depuis nange finami, depuis nange za mubimba. E finami tawa, bomoni yawa. Belly ou semoule ou eza safu. Donc, I hope you enjoy. Now my food's already now done. So delicious when you try that. Look semoule now. Moi ma moto le kimi Thank you so much for your supporting. Merci beaucoup na ba soutien na bino. Ebeli bomoni malangwa na ngana ngainga na solo ebeli ba solo na ngami bimba pilipipe angwana pona mpipi bomona bien te mais je crois pas bomoni bien yango. Thank you. Bye. Bomeka recette kitoko. Bomeka bat bazana bandaku. Bomeka eza kitoko. Bye. Merci beaucoup. Siko bomoni bien. Bomoni eza kitoko moko awa. Mama na ngai. Bomeka ba papa bazana bandaku bomeka recette yo. Na safu siko bomoni bien. Mo ba basolo na ngelembi me panzante pilipi peza mi bimba bomeka eza go recette yo boso na filme kitaki moi ba mini nga siko na moni dimne bomeka eza go safwa. Enjoy. So delicious recipe. Try that. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.